Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and size comparison of the brand new shiny Honor Note 10. Now that's a 7-inch monster from China and its release was way overdue because last year Honor decided to cancel the Note 9 the last minute. So basically they really needed to go ahead with the Note series because I had the Note 8, I've got plenty of videos with it, that's one of the best phones ever made, so I can't really wait to unbox that. But before we do that, let's just flip the box and imagine that the specifications are over here, so I'm gonna go through them fairly quickly. Now we've got the Kirin 970 chipset, we've got a 6.95-inch AMOLED screen, which is 1080p plus resolution. The front camera is 13 megapixel and at the back we've got one 16 megapixel and one 24 megapixel black and white camera as well. So basically these are the main specifications, guys, and let's proceed with the unboxing. Let's see if I'm strong enough. Okay, I am. Yeah. By the way, there is no band 20, which is unfortunate for the European and the UK users, as well as there is no wireless charging. I don't know why they keep doing that, but anyway, let's see what do we have in the box, guys. I haven't been that excited in a while, to be honest with you, unboxing a phone. Let's see. The box itself is nice though. It has this nice kind of carbon fiber finish or something like that. Okay. Oh man, this is huge. I'm gonna just put it on the side. You've got two versions, blue and black. I think that's midnight black or something like that. Okay, the IMEI stickers over here. We've got the SIM ejection tool. Let's see. Oh, a case. Nice. We've got a case. That's good. I like cases, especially those rubber ones, and especially when they're free. So what else do we have in the box? Let's check this crap over here. Power brick. Let's see the specifications. 5 volts 2 amps. Okay, fair enough. 4.5 volts 5 amps and 5 volts 4.5 amps. Okay, fair enough. Turbo charging, VOOC charging, whatever you want to call it. That's the USB Type-C adapter because we do not have a 3.5mm jack of this big of a phone. Can you imagine? And USB Type-C cable as well. Nothing really that much fancy in the box, but I really like the addition of the case, which we're gonna test in a sec. And now let's peel this baby off. Oh yeah. Oh man. That is shiny. Let me tell you that. That phone is shiny indeed, and it's big. Oh man, it has a pre-applied screen protector, which I'm going to remove, because check this out. How is it put? Autofocus? Hello? Finally. Now, check this out. How is it put? Kind of not very much to my liking. Anyway, I'm gonna probably remove that one. But now let's see size-wise. Oh man, that thing is huge. What do we have over here? We've got a huge grill. I don't know what is this grill for. Let's autofocus again. Right, so we've got a huge grill at the top over here. At the bottom we've got two grills, and on the side we've got one, I can imagine, shutter button over here or something like that. One power button here, volume buttons, and on this side we've got our SIM tray. So let's power this baby on and let's see what do we have, guys. In the meantime, I'm just gonna test the case over here. Let's put the case. It's really nice and snug over here. Nice. I like the case. I think I'm gonna keep the case because it doesn't really add too much, you know, weight and size to it. So yeah, I like the case. It has a cutouts for the speakers over here. That's good. Yeah, okay, let me set up the phone quickly, guys. Let's see what do we have. English. Okay, we've got English. That's a good start. Yeah. United Kingdom. Get started. I have very carefully read the above terms and conditions. Insert SIM later on. Connect to Wi-Fi network. Skip. Okay, we've got face unlock, fingerprint ID. That's good. Oh my god. Enhanced experience. Bloody hell. Let's say I'm gonna support the developers and I'm gonna leave everything on. Data import. Finish. Set up as a new device. Okay. And that's it, guys. Oh man, the screen is indeed huge. Check this out. AMOLED screen, beautiful. Let's see, any signs of the Play Store? I want to say so. I'm gonna figure out how to install Play Store. But anyway, let's see how big this phone is, guys. Remember, 7-inch of a phone over here. Now, that is the OnePlus 6, which you already know it is not a small phone whatsoever. And check this out, how big this phone is, guys. Check this out. It's noticeably taller and noticeably wider compared to the OnePlus 6 as well. Now I'm gonna bring one more phone to the game. That's the new Xiaomi Mi Max 3. Check this out. Oh man, it's more or less the same. The Xiaomi screen is 0.5 inches smaller, something like that, 6.9, but it's more or less the same. And when we put it like that, the Xiaomi is a little bit wider, I believe. Yeah. Oh, you can see the face unlock in action, even when I'm not watching it at it. So anyway, it is as big as the Xiaomi Mi Max 3. And let me tell you that, guys, these phones are big. I mean, these phones are really, really big. Definitely not for one-hand usage. And now I'm going to bring something else to the game. The Lenovo Phab. Now, that's an original 7-inch phone from 2006, guys. And as you can see, the screen size is 7 inches as well. But the phone is considerably bigger. Check this out, guys. How big it is. It is noticeably wider and noticeably taller. So you can see that stacked up with the OnePlus 6 like that. So yeah. So having a look at those 7-inch phones, you can see that trimming up the bezels gives a pretty good result over here, guys. And keep something else in mind, guys. On the Xiaomi Mi Max 3, we've got 5,500 milliamp hours of battery. On the Honor over here, we've got 5,000 milliamp hours. And on this Lenovo, we've got 4,250 milliamp hours of battery, although the body is quite bigger. And Lenovo issued basically 4 Phab phones. The Phab Plus, Phab 2 and Phab 2 Plus, and this one has the biggest battery of them all, 4,200 milliamp hours back in 2016. Now in smaller body, we've got 5,500 milliamp hours of battery. So pretty big jump in terms of battery, processing power and everything like that. But the question remains, which one is the better phone, guys? Is it the Honor Note 10 or is it the Xiaomi Mi Max 3? Especially considering that the Mi Max 3 is just about 200 pounds and this beast over here is 400. So basically double the price. And I guess you're gonna have to press the subscribe button now in order to watch my next videos. I'm gonna do a full comparison between those two phones as well as their separate reviews, and let me know if you want to see a camera test as well. And in the meantime, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Actually, let's remove this screen protector now, guys. I really don't like these cheap screen protectors. Plus, I mean, you already got Gorilla Glass whatever version, which is going to protect your phone from scratches. So yeah, much better like that. All right.